You see someone interesting. You want to talk. But your brain freezes. No words come out.
What if I told you that in the next 15 minutes, we'll show you simple ways to start any conversation in English without fear, without stress, and even with a little fun?
Stay with us. Because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say the next time you meet someone.
Welcome back, everyone. If you're new here, this channel helps you learn real English for real life.
And today's topic is super useful: how to start a conversation in English.
We'll give you easy phrases, real examples, and even practice with you.
So don't just watch. Speak with us. Ready?
Let's dive in.
The hardest part of speaking English is often the first sentence.
Exactly. Once you start, it gets easier. But many learners wait and wait and wait, and then the moment is gone.
That's why today we'll show you simple, friendly openers. They're short, they're safe, and they really work.
Think of it like opening a door. Once the door is open, the conversation can walk in.
Quick question for you. If you see someone new, what's the first thing you would say in your language? Say it out loud now.
Good. Now let's learn the English way.
The simplest opener, just say hi or hello.
Don't underestimate it. A confident hello can start many conversations.
Try this with me. Repeat. Hello, how are you?
Good. Another option. Hi, nice to meet you.
Notice we're smiling when we say it. A smile is part of the conversation, too.
Quick test. Which one is better? A. Hey, very loud. Or B. Hi, how are you? With a smile?
Of course, it's B. Friendly and calm always wins.
After hello, you can ask a simple question.
For example, how are you? Or, how's your day?
Or even, where are you from?
These are easy, short, and work everywhere.
Let's practice together. I'll be person A. You be person B. Hi, how are you?
Did you answer, I'm fine, thanks? Perfect.
Next one. Hi, where are you from?
Nice. You just had a short English chat.
Comment below. What's the first English question you usually ask people?
Another great trick. Talk about now.
Yes, just use what's around you.
For example, at a bus stop. The bus is late today.
In class. This lesson is interesting.
At work. It's busy today, isn't it?
These comments open the door for a friendly reply.
Repeat after me. Nice weather today.
Good. Now try. It's really hot, isn't it?
See? Easy. That's real English conversation.
People love compliments. Just keep them simple and polite.
For example, I like your shoes.
Or, that's a nice bag.
Or even, your English is good.
After a compliment, you can ask a question, like, where did you buy it?
Let's role play. I'll compliment you. You reply. Ready? Hey, nice shirt.
Great, you're learning the flow.
Okay, quiz time. Which is better? A. Your hair is very strange. B. I like your hair.
The answer is B. Always be kind.
Conversations are not only questions, you can also share.
For example, I'm learning English. It's fun.
Or, I'm from Brazil.
Then you can add, what about you?
That last part is magic. It keeps the conversation going.
Repeat after me. I like music. What about you?
Perfect. That's how you turn small talk into real talk.
Beginners often worry, what should I talk about?
Use safe topics. Easy, friendly, no stress.
Examples: weather, hobbies, food, travel.
Host 1. Everyone can talk about these things.
Let's try. I'll ask, what's your favorite food?
Nice. Now try. Do you like music?
Good job. Safe topics make conversation easy.
Comment below. What's your favorite topic to talk about in English? Remember, you don't need big, long sentences.
Short is fine. Hi. How are you? Nice day?
The goal is connection, not perfect grammar.
And when you forget a word, just smile and keep going.
English is about people, not perfection.